These cedar poles are going to be notched out to fit these cedar posts. They're going to create a rim on the top of these posts here for the kiwis to circle and hang on to. And I have female kiwis on this side. This is the north side. I'm going to allow 2 of them to grow here. And on the opposite, I'm going to have a male. The male is going to dominate the southern side. And the females are going to be allowed to pass on through over to the male side, but the male isn't going to be allowed to go over to the females. So when these poles are fixed, I'm going to put cross poles and have those poles hang out over the edge. And this is where I want most of my kiwi production. Right here. This is about 8 foot tall. So they'll have room to hang down. That's the plan. This one here is still frozen in the ground, so can't do anything. Well, I can do the 3, but I might as well wait until that's unfrozen. I can do them all together. That's my kiwi story, at least for this little section of my backyard. Well, this is about the 3rd or 4th, maybe 5th Toka plum that I planted on this property, and yet another one that has died. I cannot get Toka plums to grow here. I've tried and I've tried, but I guess I'll have to keep trying. We'll just put that there for now. We'll add it to our brush piles. Well, here's some more rabbit damage on an apple tree right here. Look at that. I missed that one. They were so desperate this winter. But they left this side alone. Oh, they left a strip. One little strip here. Yeah, I'll leave this go, see if it heals. I might do some real heavy pruning so it doesn't need to send a lot of juice up. See how that works. Hey, look at the rabbits. They sure did leave enough fertilizer. Jeez. Here's a section of my prototype food forest. We had a lot of girdled trees this last winter from the rabbits. I've just been cutting them off and piling them up here. I guess I'll have to cut them up a little bit. These Korean nut pines are 3 summers old now. They're growing slow here in the shade, which I purposefully planted them here so they got dense shade. They wouldn't dry out. At some point in the future, I'm going to dig out that sea berry there and all these nut pines at the same time and transplant them up north. I got a broken shovel back here, or a shovel without a handle. I'm just going to use it. I want to get an artichoke for breakfast tomorrow morning. But the ground is unthawed to that far. Got to be able to find an artichoke in there somewhere. Nothing. What the heck? Wonder if the mice ate them all or something. The wolves. Oh, there's one. There we go. Oh, there's some nice ones right there. That'll be enough for breakfast. I had a clump of little garlics here that, if you let them go for like 5 or 6 years in a row without pulling them, they do this. They clump together and they make just a whole bunch of little garlics. But here we are, 3rd week of March. Ground is just unthawing, so I can harvest some of these. Kind of a pain to clean them, but that's nice and fresh stuff. So we're going to go with that. Ooh, I can smell it. Isn't it good? Okay.